Hello, this is Hernan. Today I'm going to give you some tips that all new associates or agents to Experior Financial Group should follow. The first thing, obviously, is your onboarding. Get together with whoever invited you to Experior or recruited you to Experior to do your onboarding. There is a lot of onboarding videos as well that I'm sure your team has, and also Experior corporate has as well. But you must do a deep dive inside the back office. The Experior back office is a very powerful business suite. It's a full ecosystem for financial professionals, and it's very complete and very powerful, but also it has many moving parts. That is why it's so powerful, okay? So you must practice. You must do what is called purposeful practice in order to achieve a deliberate performance, okay? Through repetition, through exercises. Make sure that you know where to find everything. Explore the modules. Log in and out many times and do a deep dive to be able to find everything that you need quickly, because you might need it whether you are a personal producer, going there and upload your new business, obviously get your contract, which is before all that, right? But as well, if you are training teams and if you are recruiting others and you want to show some parts of the back office, obviously only share parts that do not contain any personal information on clients, but you can still show parts of the back office. You need to be very good at navigating it. So that's the number one tool that I would invest my time into. And remember, every time that we join a new opportunity or that we are in a new relationship, everything is excitement at the very beginning, which is the inception, okay? But as soon as we know that there is a lot to learn, we go through what is called the deception phase, okay? We gotta speed up through the deception phase, okay, and become capable. That is the transformation stage, okay, to get very familiar with everything, to learn fast all the processes, all the systems that you need to. What makes us unique in order to serve your clients better or best, and also for those of you attracting others, so that you can explain everything very smoothly, okay? And that is when you achieve your identity, when you are fully on, fully capable, okay? And where you are relying on yourself, you're autonomous. So do that as soon as possible. And remember, everything takes time and practice in order to have a deliberate performance. So you want to follow me for more tips, there is a link above or below this video, or you can scan the QR code. Take care and see you at the top of success.